Hello and welcome back to my channel. I understand it's been a while, but yeah, let's focus on the future. Today I'm here to talk about the best budget phone of 2024. Hint, it is the Nothing CMF Phone 1. And it comes with a 120Hz 1080p display. This blower comes with an always-on display screen. With the 5000 mAh battery and the Dimensity 7300 chipset, you can expect all-day battery life as well as that smooth performance, putting the price into consideration. It's running Android 14 with Nothing OS, giving that lovely stock Android feeling. Nothing promises 2 years of updates, by the way. It has 128 or 256 gigabytes of storage with either 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM. It's got an in-display fingerprint sensor and it can charge at up to 33 watts. The 50 megapixel camera on the phone can shoot at up to 4K 30 frames per second, and the selfie camera is a basic 60 megapixel effort. The phone has a few tricks like changing the back cover, etc. As long as you don't have the handle of a toddler, you'll be fine. It doesn't have NFC and the speakers aren't the loudest. But for 200 to 230 pounds, it's a game changer. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next one. Cheers.